I'll have to edit. Well, I planned on doing a proper unboxing, but I can't because they had me open it at the post office. So this has already been opened up once, but we're going to do an unboxing now. Power supply. That's good. Good packing here. A big bubble wrap. 2. And it's good they had me open it at the post office because broken. I bought the base model, but if you notice, no wooden bed. It comes with the aluminum bed, so that's good. Instructions. Congratulations. And for the power supply, AV cable, red ABS, and Allen wrench. I'm going to move the camera in here a little bit so we can see.